Alright then guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Welcome to my channel. So after a long time maybe, I just started making this video just to show you about the internet download manager lifetime key or serial number, whatever you say. So basically, even I was also kind of a guy who used to crack every version or do the trial reset, okay? But finally I just started getting the genuine 1-year key. So I have used that. It was great before buying the lifetime, but today I decided to buy the lifetime key of IDM. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna show you. All right, so how it happened, I just bought from a official reseller. According to the country where you live, there will be resellers on the IDM website itself. So let me just show it to you. Wait. Alright, so as you can see over here on the website, we can see buy. When you're gonna click on buy, then it will redirect you to the official resellers. Since I'm from India, that's why it's showing India. Alright, and the prices are showing in INR, in our currency. Okay, so I didn't bought from here because the price was a little bit higher, and on this official resellers I just found that the price were great, even it's 1 year or lifetime. So basically I just went here. The most cheapest one was on 24/7premiumcard.com, and I just got it for 1584, which is on the official site was 1800. All right, so, and even though I got a discount of Paytm, so I just did the thing from here itself, and I just got the key for 1584. Okay, let's see, these guys are like insane, popping up whenever I'm just opening their website. All right, so next thing, I was just gonna active the key right in front of you guys. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see, this is what I got after purchasing. So this is the one PC lifetime license. This is the key, but I have faded out, it's private. Okay, so I'll just gonna use it right here. That's my IDM, it's up to date. As you can see, you're using the latest version of internet download manager. Please check back again for updates at a later time. So I'm gonna copy the key. There we go. We have to put it right here, registration. So as you can see, got the key and have to type my email. Also I can just type my last name and first name. Let's make it capital. Okay, that's it guys, and then press OK. Registration, and boom, it's done. It says IDM is registered. As you can see, the product is licensed to my name. Your serial number starts with this. So this is it guys, this is how you gonna actually get your IDM lifetime. All right, this is the legit way, this is the genuine way, because you have to spend some money to get the key, right? Not the cracked version or the other way how you gonna get it. So this is the thing. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, don't forget to like my video and share. Also subscribe if you haven't yet done, right? Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out guys, bye bye.